My goodness, tragedy. We're still having tragedies with the baby turkeys, the baby hens yesterday, and 3 dead turkeys, 3 dead chicks. All right, so we found some evidence in the high tunnel, so we'll go check that out. Whatever got in there gnawed its way through this.
Yeah, they were decapitated every time, so it was the same predator.
Yep. Good morning, I am Dustin Aleman. This is Aleman Family Homestead. Our hope for this channel is that you're able to pick up a tip, a trick, a gold nugget to help you on your homesteading journey. If that is the case, please hit subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Love the comments, love the feedback. Keep bringing that. Appreciate each and every one of you. Hey, we've had, kids had a T-bone last night, so I'm bringing out, I don't like giving these bones to the pigs, so I'll bring this out to the chicken. Chickens will nibble on this and eat it. Chickens are omnivores, just like pigs, just like us. So we'll feed them everything but chicken, but poultry. Okay, we've had a lot. We've had a lot going on the last few days. Here's this T-bone. We'll fill you all in. We've had some, my goodness, tragedy. We're still having tragedies with the baby turkeys, the baby hens. I'll fill you all in on that in a minute. We're gonna get these ducks moved. Evie's got the hens taken care of. So we're gonna get these birds done and then go get the pigs. Natalie's in the garden, watering the garden. And we gotta get these cows. These cows are up here grazing in our front yard. I, on purpose, did not fill right where Annabelle is sitting. There's a water and I did not fill it. I'm hoping they walk up to the corral because we got to get her milked. And getting her and the baby up there is, it's a chore. So if they can go up there on their own, so much easier. Yep, let's get these ducks.
That's what will happen. She'll start charging at me.
On this side. Yeah, that's it. Okay, that's perfect. These chickens are loving this T-bone. So normally when we've got pigs, we give everything to the pigs. What I don't like doing is giving them bones like this because they'll eat it. They'll eat the whole bone. So we'll just let these chickens peck away at it. They'll get all that, they'll get that bone nice and clean. That was a T-bone from Shimmer, our first Wagyu Jersey beef from Mary. We still got a couple of her steaks in the freezer. It was yummy. Kids were loving it last night.
I was not dressed for this.
Nope.
I usually never.
Okay, so update on our baby chicks and baby turkeys. So I don't know, I spent, a good amount of time, couple hours last weekend and this past weekend building a bulletproof brooder to set up in the high tunnel. I mean, I had hardware cloth on the bottom, hardware cloth on the top, and then I ran chicken wire around the outside, and I think that was my mistake. We had the chicks and the poults in our laundry room all last week, and we were just over that. I mean, it's just stinky, it's dirty, they're in the way. We finally brought them out Saturday. I got that built on Saturday, got them out Saturday night, came out Sunday, yesterday, and 3 dead turkeys, 3 dead chicks. And there was blood. You could see where I'll show you, I'll bring you guys in. Whatever's in there, I don't know if it's a weasel or, I have no idea, a rat. Something is in there and it chewed through the chicken wire. And we even had zip ties and it chewed through the zip ties. So just super frustrating. We have never, ever had issues like this for the last, I don't know, 3 or 4 years, we just had them in there, open air. We just had the brooder walls. We never put anything, we've never had this issue before. It's just, we need to get a camera. We were talking about, we might get a camera and just set it up and see what we've got out there. Throw some sort of bait out there. Obviously not a live bait, but something. I mean, we could throw some old food out there and get a camera. We have no idea what it is. So anyhow, super frustrated. I need to really hone in on that. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unwrap, or I'll probably keep the poultry wire, the chicken wire, and then I'm gonna wrap the whole section with hardware cloth. But that's for next year. We're done messing with it. Now the chicks and the poults are in my office because we have a cat inside, so we couldn't just bring them in. So we had to put them in a room where the door's shut, so our cat isn't in there killing them. So I have these chicks in my office. I'm on the phone all day. We'll see how long that lasts before I'm done and I just get them out to pasture. So just devastating year. We've lost a lot of animals, but I'll show you guys what we did, what I'm planning to do here in a minute. I'm gonna get these ducks taken care of and then we'll go check them out. Okay, we got our milking stuff here. That's so exciting. We're so excited to start milking again. Oh my gosh. We got a gallon of colostrum a couple days ago, 24 hours after she calved. And then 48 hours after, we got about 2 gallons of just milk. Little extra colostrum, but mostly milk. Yeah. All right, so we found some evidence in the high tunnel, so we'll go check that out. Oh, could be an owl. I don't know how the owl would have fit through there.
Maybe it's
Okay, we're gonna go check that out in a minute. I gotta get these pigs fed, and then we'll go see what's going on in the high tunnel here. All right, we'll go see what Natalie found in here, and lost my train of thought on milk. I'll get back to that in a minute. So we'll do a quick garden check and show you what my failure, my failed brooder.
There, so whatever it was, it bit through wires. Because there's a hole right here, you can totally see it bit through. Right here.
Watch out.
And then it also bit through a zip tie.
Yep, so look at this. Whatever got in there, gnawed its way through this chicken wire, this poultry wire, and then we zip tied, because I did a double wrap, and it was gnawing through the zip ties as well. So you can see so here was the concept. It was a double brooder situation. I ran hardware cloth on the bottom, hardware cloth on the top. This has a hinged lid so we can get in and out. And then I got cheap, and I said, hey, let's just run this, because this poultry wire is a lot less expensive than hardware cloth. And my thought process was, I don't know what my thought process was. I just figured they'd be fine, but obviously they weren't. You can see the blood here. So when we came out, the birds were decapitated.
Like they were every time. Yeah, they were decapitated every time, so it was the same predator.
Yep. So somehow it got in. I think it got in through that hole I just showed you guys. Gnawed its way in. So my thought is we're gonna rewrap this outside with the hardware cloth. We're done. We are done with this experiment. I think next year this is gonna be a great option for us after I bulletproof it. So super frustrated. I thought I had this nice bulletproof brooder put together, and whatever's out here getting it is I don't know. It's sneaky. It's a weasel. It can get through small holes. Could be a rat. We don't know. We don't know. So to be continued for now. It is what it is. I have birds in my office. I'm gonna be on the phone all day. I'm on the phone all day, and I'm gonna have birds chirping in the background, and I'll work through that with my clients. They'll be fine. They'll be fine. So let's do a quick garden check. Garden's looking great. We got a couple tomatoes sprouting up. What do we have here, babe?
Beets and radishes and onions.
Beets, radishes, and onions are popping up. And then over here, those sugar pumpkins. Those are our sugar pumpkins. We got peppers going. Ah, there's a fur ball. This is what they were talking about.
So owls.
So that's like an owl, but I just can't imagine an owl getting in that hole. Well, an owl could get in here. They could go in there. But I don't see how they could get in the little cracks. All right, so we've got these cows out here on pasture. So I don't know. I think I'm just gonna try to lead them all up to the corral. Cooney, come here. I want Cooney over here. Because yesterday I had a leash on Annabelle, and then we harnessed the baby, and it was just a disaster. So I'm hoping if I can push them all up, this baby will just follow. Let's go, girls. Come on, girls. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. June, up. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. Oh, there you go. Come on. Come on, girl. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. June, let's go. See how this works. Let's go, girls. Come on. Hey, let's go. Here we go. Go. Let's go. Let's go. See that little calf? She's doing great. Come on, girl. Let's go. She's jumping around and super healthy. Very cool. Come on, Annabelle. Let's go. You can see Annabelle's bags are just huge. She's leaking milk. I don't know if you guys can see that. She's squirting milk every time she takes a step. So you get her milked out. We've been watching, I think, what's her name? We're naming her Bronco. So AZ named her Bronco. She went from Taco to Taquita to Rose to, what's her name, AZ?
No.
No? What's her name? She got shy. It's Bronco. We're Broncos fans, so it's all right. Okay, I think I've tried talking about this a few times. I keep getting distracted, but super excited to have milk. We got a gallon of colostrum day 1. We got 2 gallons of milk day 2. And you saw her bag. She's definitely holding. She's not dropping. I can't think of the term. Come on, girls, let's go. Letting down, I think, is the proper term. She's not letting down her milk. She's securing or holding it up there for her baby, which is great. The calf's been on her multiple times over the last couple of days, so it's all good. We take what we need in the morning, and then we leave the rest for the calf. Come on, girls, let's go. Okay, that was so much easier than yesterday. Natalie's got the wagon with all the milk stuff, so she'll meet me over there. I don't know what we were thinking yesterday. We're doing it a little different than in the past, and eventually as we get into our routines, what I like to do typically is go get the cows at night and bring them into the corral so that we're not doing this in the morning. It's an extra 15-minute chore. We can just come out, get the cow milked, and go on with our day. Honestly, right now we've gotten so much rain. We have so much grass for these girls to graze. They're getting an extra couple hours of grazing by just letting them out. And then we're spending 15 minutes in the morning. It's probably better to do it the way we're doing it right now. I just need to be more mindful and just wake up a little earlier and get done what I need to get done so that those 15 minutes aren't wasted. So that was so much easier. So we got all the cows up here. Their water source is up here. I'm gonna stop filling up their water over there. I'll maybe give them a little so they've got a little during the day. But now they know they can come up here in the morning and get their water. So we'll just throw the harness on the baby, get her in the corral, and then Mary, I keep calling her Mary. Annabelle, get in there. Natalie brought her some alfalfa, which she loves.
Hi, Bronco.
We'll get them in and get them milked. Get them milked.
When are you girls gonna drop your babies?
All right, so again, this was our first calf on farm with Annabelle. When we bought her, she had already calved Maybelle. So we've never witnessed her calving. We don't know what to expect from a milk quantity standpoint. We're super pleased and happy and excited thus far because she's given us, I mean, looks like we're gonna get about 2 gallons a day, maybe even north of that. Her bags have definitely expanded, which seems pretty typical with cows. I think when we got Mary, she was on her, I think her second or third when we first got her, and she was a higher producer. But now that we've expanded our family, I mean, when we first got married, we only had 2 kids, and they were young. Now we've got 3 kids, you know, oldest is 10, so we're drinking more milk, consuming more cheese, cottage cheese, yogurt. I mean, if we can get north of 2 gallons a day out of her, we will use it. So super exciting. Okay, we're done. We're gonna call it a day today. That was good. That was, I think she gave us, we brought out two pails. Each pail is 2 gallons. And we probably got a good 3 gallons of milk today, that's a lot for this girl. She's very lovey, she's licky, very lovey. That's a lot for her. We've never gone over 2 with her. And honestly, we get at most 1.75 gallons, maybe close to 2 gallons is the most we've gotten out of her. So super happy about that. Lots of milk production. Waiting for these 2 girls. These 2 girls are next. June is due today. Maybelle's due, I think, tomorrow or in a couple of days. So more to come on that. As always, appreciate each and every one of you. Our hope for this channel is that you're able to pick up a tip, a trick, a golden nugget to help you on your homesteading journey. If that is the case, please hit subscribe below. Keep bringing feedback, comments, give us a thumbs up. Appreciate y'all. Catch you next time.